Thinking about moving to Germany in 2026 for work, permanent residence, or a better future? Germany is one of Europe's strongest economies and continues to attract skilled workers from around the world. With opportunities in healthcare, IT, engineering, construction, manufacturing, and skilled trades, Germany can be an excellent destination for people with the right qualifications and experience. But which visa should you choose? Can you work without a job offer? How does the EU Blue Card work? And what are the pathways toward permanent residence? In this video, we're going to explain the Germany Immigration Guide 2026 in a simple and practical way. Let's begin. Why Germany? Germany has Europe's largest economy and a huge industrial and manufacturing sector. The country has a strong demand for workers in areas such as nursing and healthcare, engineering, IT, construction, skilled trades, and technical professions. Germany also offers good infrastructure, public transportation, healthcare, and access to the wider European Union. For international workers, one of the biggest attractions is that Germany has developed several immigration pathways specifically for qualified professionals. Pathway number 1, EU Blue Card. If you're a highly qualified professional with a suitable job offer, the EU Blue Card can be one of the most attractive options. It is particularly relevant for professionals working in areas such as IT, engineering, mathematics, science, and healthcare, depending on the applicable requirements. The Blue Card is connected to a qualified employment contract and salary requirements. One major advantage is that it can provide a relatively direct route toward permanent residence for eligible workers. The exact salary threshold changes, so always check the latest official requirements before applying. Pathway number 2, Skilled Worker Visa. Germany also has residence options for qualified skilled workers. If you have recognized qualifications and a suitable job in Germany, you may be able to apply for a residence permit for skilled employment. This route can be relevant to people with vocational qualifications as well as university degrees, depending on the occupation and requirements. So you don't necessarily need to be a software engineer or doctor. Germany also needs many skilled workers in technical and practical occupations. Pathway number 3, Opportunity Card. One of the most interesting options for people who don't yet have a German job is the Opportunity Card, or Chancenkarte. Under the applicable rules, eligible skilled workers can use it to come to Germany to look for suitable employment. This can be particularly useful because you don't necessarily need to have a permanent job offer before entering Germany under this pathway. However, you still need to meet the eligibility requirements, which can involve qualifications, language ability, points, and financial resources. So the Opportunity Card is not a guaranteed job visa. It's an opportunity to search for employment while meeting the relevant conditions. What about international students? Germany is also a popular destination for international students. Many students choose Germany because of its strong universities and the opportunity to gain qualifications that can help them enter the German labor market. After completing eligible studies, graduates may have options to remain in Germany and look for qualified employment. So for young people planning a long-term career in Europe, studying in Germany can therefore be another possible pathway. Do you need German? This is one of the most important questions. The answer depends on your profession and visa pathway. Some jobs, particularly in IT and international companies, may operate partly or primarily in English, but for many professions, especially healthcare, nursing, skilled trades, and jobs involving direct contact with German customers, German language skills can be extremely important. Even if your visa doesn't require advanced German, learning the language can dramatically improve your job opportunities and daily life. If Germany is your goal, learning German is one of the best investments you can make. Who should consider Germany? Germany could be especially interesting if you have a recognized professional qualification, relevant work experience, an occupation Germany needs, good German or English skills, and a serious plan to build a career in Europe. It can be particularly attractive for engineers, IT professionals, healthcare workers, technicians, and skilled tradespeople. But your individual situation determines which pathway is actually available to you. Final thoughts. Germany in 2026 offers several routes for international workers, from the EU Blue Card and skilled worker pathways to the Opportunity Card and employment-based residence options. The biggest mistake is applying for a visa before understanding your own profile. First, identify your occupation, then check your qualifications. Find out whether recognition is required. Improve your German or English, research the right visa, and finally, compare your expected salary with the cost of living. Because moving to Germany isn't simply about getting a visa, it's about building a sustainable career and future. Now, tell us in the comments, what is your profession, how many years of experience do you have, and would you like to move to Germany in 2026? Subscribe to The World Guide for professional guides on Germany immigration, work visas, skilled migration, international jobs, salaries, and opportunities around the world, because your skills can open doors across the world. This is The World Guide, your gateway to the world.